Leads, leads, leads. Do you need more leads? Are you finding that generating those leads from your website, social media channels, and even ads are getting increasingly more difficult? Are you, your sales, marketing, and service teams looking for a better way to convert more leads and in conjunction drive more revenue to that bottom line? Then have I got a treat for you. You see, we're interviewing the best of the best and diving into every corner of the internet to find you, that's right, you, the tips, tricks, hacks, and best practices that will help you generate more leads for your business. That's right, your sales, marketing, and service teams will have all the leads that they could ever imagine of having. So do you want to know what that looks like? Then stick around.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
That's right, it's your boy George B. Thomas from SprocketTalk.com bringing you yet another HubSpot educational video brought to you by the folks over at Impulse Creative. If you're a sales, marketing, or service professional looking to learn more about HubSpot and inbound strategies, or in this case, converting more leads, then guess what? You're in the right spot. Hey, do yourself a favor, make sure you subscribe to keep learning more and use the comment section below to ask us all the inbound and HubSpot questions that you may have. Now, let's get into the good stuff. Here at Sprocket Talk, we polled a ton of our users asking them what their major sales, marketing, and service pain points were. And guess what? The number one problem that surfaced through the poll was converting more leads. So we here at Sprocket Talk have set out on a mission to help all of the Sprocket Talk users fix this problem with our Converting More Leads series. You can find out more information about this series at SprocketTalk.com/convert. Now, in today's video, we talk with Tyler Lessard from Vidyard about how to get started using video to convert more leads. The problem with this is many companies put a hurdle right smack in the middle of their lead conversion path. Let's see what Tyler had to say about this.
So there's, I think, 2 or 3 big things to help you go from being resistant and not doing video to really embracing it as a continuous way of how you create leads and support your buyer process. The first is getting over this content creation hurdle, which so many people still have today. And frankly, the only way to do that, just like writing content, just like designing infographics, is to start to do it, of course, and to start to skill up the people in your team, or bring in a dedicated video producer if you have that opportunity in your business. But one way or another, you need to be able to create video content in-house and remove your dependency from external agencies to enable you to scale that video content creation. And I think that's just so important right now.
When it comes to using video to convert more leads, having the ability to create video content in-house is key. We've seen that it makes companies more flexible, faster, and many times enables almost real-time content creation. Now, let's be honest. One of the things we hear when we talk about companies creating an in-house video creation process is, well, the tech. It's so difficult. You see, so many are paralyzed by the gear or the software they think will be hard to use. Think it will be hard to use. But our friend Tyler comes to the rescue and he has a different look on tech and software. So let's see what he had to say about that.
We're not talking about here recording videos on an old shoulder mounted Betamax video camera, loading it in and shipping somebody a video, right? We're talking about quickly creating and sharing video content using digital mediums, putting it out there in our different channels, tracking who's engaging in that content, and using it to convert leads. And if what I just talked to you about sounds very foreign, don't worry, it is for a lot of people. But once you have the right tech in place, this stuff really can be seamless, it can be integrated, and it can just be a natural part of how you market and sell. There's lots of different technology out there that is extremely low cost, much of it is in fact free, to enable you to start recording great video content, right? There's, again, quick and simple hardware out there, good microphones, good lights, right? These are the little things that you can get going with for less than $500 to have what you need to start creating great, valuable content. And I think that's so important. And then from a software perspective, tools to help you host those videos, to publish them out there, and to turn them into lead gen machines by embedding them in your email marketing, by embedding them on your landing pages, pushing them to your social channels, and being able to track analytics to know what's working, what's not.
Seamless, integrated, a natural part of how you market and sell. Now that, my friends, sounds amazing. No matter if it's with Vidyard or some other solution, get your software in place. Figure out your budget and get your simple gear, as Tyler talked about, in place as well. But more importantly, just get started with leveraging video to convert more leads for your sales, marketing, and service teams. No matter what gear you have, just get started. Hey, I have to ask, do you want to learn more tips, tricks, hacks, and best practices from Tyler when it comes to video and lead conversion? Then make sure you head over to sprockettalk.com/convert to stay in the loop. Hey Sprocketeer, did you like this video? Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell as well for those instant notifications, and so we know that you're part of the Sprocket Talk community. Make sure you head over to sprockettalk.com for more actionable and tactical HubSpot user resources. As always, it's been my absolute pleasure, but until next time, in the next video when we meet again, make sure you're focused on being a happy, helpful, humble human. And along the way, make sure you're doing some happy HubSpotting.